Hey everyone, today we're reviewing Silpat, the French-made top-notch baking mats and molds. Made with unique fiberglass and food-grade silicone, Silpat ensures even heat and non-stick perfection. They're safe from -40 all the way to 426 degrees Fahrenheit and are versatile for baking, freezing, or microwaving. Today we are using the Silpat mold and the Cook and Cool baking tray to make these cookie lemon tarts. Simply use some pre-made cookie dough and press into your molds. Give a quick bake on those. These baking mats and molds are super durable, lasting over 3,000 baking cycles, and replace the need for parchment paper. Use a glass to make sure that they are the perfect thickness. As you can see, they slip right out of the molds. There's no need to use grease, making them healthier and cost-effective. We're using a pre-made lemon filling, or you can make your own. Top with some fresh fruit and some mint. These are so simple yet so beautiful, perfect for entertaining this summer. If you're interested in learning more about Silpat products, we have a full review on Steamy Kitchen. Head to the blog to learn more.